Surfshark VPN. Great deal for you. I come down to movies, TV shows, live streaming apps. I'll find like, I'll use Zumo TV. There's other apps to try out. We can come down to the bottom of the Zumo TV install page and we hit for Amazon or Android device like TVs or Android mobile. Download the application. Down to the bottom right, I'll click install. It'll install the app. And then click done. Let's not open the application yet. I need to delete this APK file so that it's no longer using up space on the device. Delete. We're good to go. You can hit back, find the other apps that you would like to download. Click the home button on our remote. And then I just head over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games section. And the last application that's downloaded ends up in the bottom here. 3-line button again on the remote. And we move it to the front, or if you don't want it to the front, you can move it a little further down. Now let's open Zumo Play. Zumo Play has movies, TV shows, and live TV. As you can tell, look at this. NFL Game Center right there up front. We can go movies. So we can click on some movies here. They do have like Zumo exclusive, sci-fi, fantasy. Some good stuff, some old stuff, some stuff no one's ever heard of. But remember, check out the other apps on this device. Check out the other apps on this web page. I bet you'll be thoroughly happy. All right, take care, enjoy.